Father love for daughter. One day, a little 12-year-old girl asked her father, "What are you going to gift me for my next birthday?" Father smiled and said, "There is much time, so wait till your birthday." Just after a few days of this conversation, the girl fainted and was rushed to the hospital. After checking on the girl, the doctor came out and informed the family that the girl had a bad heart and probably she would die. Everyone in the family was shocked to hear that and didn't know what to do. While the girl was lying on the bed in the hospital and her father was sitting near her, she asked, "Daddy, am I going to die?" Father replied, "No, dear, you will live." He gave her a warm hug and kissed her on the forehead, then left weeping. The girl said, "How can you be so sure, Daddy?" Father turned around and replied, "I know." After some time, the girl got treated and was recovering. At the same time, she turned 13. After she came home, she found a letter on her bed. It said, "My sweet kid, if you are reading this, it means everything went well as I told you. You remember once you asked me what am I going to gift you for your birthday? Well, at that time I didn't know what I was going to give you. But now my present to you is my heart." Father donated his heart for his daughter? Morale. Our parents love us and make selfless sacrifices to keep us happy and safe. So, always respect and love your parents because you don't know what they have given up for you.